Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got something on my nose. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. As always, ladies, I haven't forgotten about you. I know there's like, the gender population who watches me is like 1.5% women. So hello to the 1.5%. What are we doing today? Well, I am at work and I'm on lunch. And guys, guess what? All of the components for the LSA are finally together and I am ready to start assembling. So instead of talking and giving you guys a bunch of hoo-hoo-rah, I am gonna just give you 99% montage. So I hope you enjoy this. There'll be probably a handful of moments where I jump in, talk, say a couple things, but other than that, guys, I'm just trying to get this thing built. So let's dive straight into it. Enjoy the POV cam, and thanks for watching. Let's get started right now. So a quick breakdown of what we did was we really opened up, Bob opened up this port right here, super large. And then on the inlet, he turned around and you can see how much he really opened this up here and over here. And actually there used to be a divot right here and we cut that out and flipped it over to increase the volume on this side on this rotor, which will be this rotor right here. So it's gonna help out a lot, get a lot more air in there really quickly. So. All right, guys, well, there it is, fully assembled, ready to rock and roll. You notice that there is no heat exchanger in this. That is because I'm going to be running nitrous and methanol injection to keep this thing icy cold. And a big shout out to Bob Stigemeyer and Stigemeyer Porting for doing all of my porting for me, which he is amazing. We're gonna get this thing mocked up on the engine this weekend and make sure I've got all the pulleys, do the math, make sure crank pulleys are right size, water pumps are right, all my accessories and everything, so this bad boy can get going. Hopefully I'll be driving this car before the end of the year. It's my plan still. So guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you later. Peace. I'm outie.